If you've been injured in an accident involving a commercial vehicle or business, you're likely facing significant medical bills, lost wages, and an uncertain future. Today, I'm going to explain exactly how specialized commercial accident attorneys can help you secure the compensation you deserve. What is a commercial accident? Commercial accidents include any incidents involving business vehicles or occurring on commercial property. Commercial truck and delivery vehicle crashes. Bus and public transportation accidents. Workplace and construction site injuries. Retail store and business premise accidents. Industrial equipment malfunctions. Commercial property negligence cases. These cases differ from typical personal injury claims because they involve businesses with substantial resources, complex insurance policies, and teams of defense attorneys. This is why having specialized legal representation is crucial. Why you need a specialized commercial accident lawyer. General practice attorneys often lack the specific expertise needed for commercial accident cases. Here's what makes these cases different. Multiple liable parties. Commercial accidents frequently involve several responsible entities: the driver, the company that employs them, vehicle manufacturers, maintenance contractors, and others may share liability. Complex regulations. Commercial enterprises operate under industry-specific regulations that your attorney must thoroughly understand to build a strong case. Corporate resources. You'll be facing companies with significant financial and legal resources designed to minimize their payout. Higher stakes. Commercial accidents often result in more severe injuries and larger potential settlements, making specialized representation essential. A dedicated commercial accident lawyer has the specific knowledge and resources to level the playing field against these corporate entities. What a top commercial accident lawyer will do for you. The right attorney will handle every aspect of your case while you focus on recovery. Immediate investigation. Time is critical in commercial accident cases. Your attorney will secure accident scene evidence before it disappears. Obtain surveillance footage and witness statements. Preserve electronic data and company records. Document your injuries properly for your claim. Identifying all responsible parties. Commercial accident cases often involve multiple liable entities. Your lawyer will identify every party that should be held accountable, potentially including the commercial driver, the employer company, vehicle or equipment manufacturers, maintenance providers, property owners, contractors and subcontractors. This comprehensive approach ensures you don't leave compensation sources untapped. Navigating complex insurance issues. Commercial entities typically have layered insurance coverage with high policy limits. Your attorney will identify all applicable insurance policies, understand policy exclusions and coverage limitations, handle all communication with insurance adjusters, counter tactics designed to minimize your claim, proper valuation of your damages. Inexperienced attorneys often undervalue commercial accident claims. The best commercial accident lawyers will calculate current and future medical expenses, lost earnings and diminished earning capacity, rehabilitation costs, pain and suffering, emotional distress, permanent disability accommodations, property damage. This comprehensive valuation ensures you don't accept a settlement that fails to cover your long-term needs. How to select the best commercial accident lawyer. Not all attorneys are equally qualified to handle commercial accident cases. Here's what to look for. Specialized experience. Seek an attorney who focuses specifically on commercial accident cases, has a proven track record against corporate defendants, understands industry-specific regulations, has successfully handled cases similar to yours, resources to match corporate opposition. Your attorney should have access to accident reconstruction experts, medical experts who can testify about your injuries, financial resources to properly investigate and litigate, support staff dedicated to commercial cases, clear communication style. The best attorneys will explain complex legal concepts in understandable terms, keep you regularly updated on your case status, be accessible when you have questions, set realistic expectations about outcomes and timelines, Trial experience. While most cases settle, you need an attorney who has proven courtroom experience, is prepared to take your case to trial if necessary, is respected by insurance companies for their litigation skills. This trial readiness often results in better settlement offers, as insurance companies want to avoid the unpredictability of jury verdicts. The process of working with a commercial accident lawyer. Initial consultation. Most reputable commercial accident attorneys offer free consultations. During this meeting, bring all documentation related to your accident. Be prepared to discuss your injuries and their impact. Ask about the attorney's relevant experience. Discuss their fee structure, typically contingency-based. Investigation and case building. Once retained, your attorney will gather evidence to establish liability. Document the full extent of your damages. Consult with relevant experts. Develop a strategic legal approach. Negotiation and settlement. Your lawyer will present a compelling demand package to insurers. Counter lowball offers with evidence. Shield you from direct contact with adjusters. Advise you on when to settle and when to hold firm. Litigation if necessary. If a fair settlement isn't offered, your attorney will file a lawsuit within required deadlines. Handle all court proceedings and paperwork. Present evidence persuasively to judge and jury. Fight aggressively for your interests. Common mistakes to avoid after a commercial accident. Accepting an early settlement. Insurance companies often make quick offers before you understand the full extent of your injuries. Giving recorded statements. Anything you say can be used to undermine your claim. Delaying medical treatment. This creates gaps in your medical records that defendants will exploit. Hiring based on advertisements alone. The attorneys with the biggest billboards aren't necessarily the most skilled. Waiting too long. Evidence disappears and legal deadlines pass if you delay seeking representation. If you've been injured in a commercial accident, the quality of your legal representation can make a life-changing difference in your recovery and financial future. Commercial entities and their insurers have teams of lawyers working immediately to minimize their liability. You deserve equally skilled representation working just as hard to protect your interests. The right commercial accident lawyer will level the playing field, handle the legal complexities, and fight to ensure you receive the full compensation you deserve. Don't wait. Most offer free consultations and work on contingency, meaning you pay nothing unless they win your case. Take action today by researching and consulting with experienced commercial accident attorneys in your area. Your financial security and recovery may depend on making this crucial decision promptly and wisely.